We just finished installing this projector stand, and this is really awesome because you can have it coming from the ceiling or you can have it straight out coming from the wall. It does come with the hardware that you need to install it, and this is an adjustable height. So you can go between 14 inches and 21.5 inches. So just make sure you are measuring your space and make sure that, you know, those measurements will fit for you. One thing you do need to keep in mind is the stand itself is a no hole stand. So basically what that means is there are no screws or anything like that that's going to hold your projector in place. So this is just sitting on the projector. So that means you can't tilt the projector. It's basically where you're placing it, it's going to stay that way. So if you have it in a spot where you don't need to tilt it or anything, this is going to be perfect. But if you do want to be able to move it and tilt it around, this is probably not going to be the best option. It does have the like little sides around here, so it does slip in here. And as long as it's on a flat surface, it is easy to go. But yeah, if you are looking for a projector stand, again, as I said, can go on the ceiling or the wall. This one's great.